gulo ng hair ko. Mamaya ko na ayusin. But we are headed to Greenbelt 5. Nandun si Rapha Health Institute. Paano lang kami? Consultation. So we'll do that. And maybe later I'll tell you more about Rapha Health Institute. Samahan niyo kami. Hi, we're finally here. Rapha Health Institute. Nag-fill out na siya ng mga form and ayan. Sarado pa talaga ang mall because we came in here really early. So, yun na siya. Ayun, nagsasalita pala ako, hindi pala naka-video. Actually, anyway, ayun, uulitin ko yung sinabi ko. We're done. We're gonna have lunch lang. Kasi it is 11 something. Just to get it out of the way. Tapos, we have two na procedures na ni-recommend for us. Or for Ken rather. And then we will take one of the procedures na muna. Siguro sa susunod na yung iba pang procedure na ni-recommend. And then the supplements binili na namin. Yun siya. Look, it's so nice. Kaya yun. We're here sa Chili's, having lunch muna before say hi. So, lunch muna. Ito yung mga iti-take for next few months. Yan, 60 capsules ng alpha lipoic acid. I hope I'm saying it right. And then CoQ10. I think that's how Doc said it. This is and then omega-3. All of them are twice a day. Ayan. Ayan. So, unang dumating is the buffalo wings. First time ko mag-chili's. Itong asawa ko na mag-chili's na siya before. Ako hindi pa. So, let's go. So, first time ko try ang buffalo wings nila. Amoy pa lang ang anghang na. Something. So it has salmon, salmon, ribs, excuse me, ribs and then chicken. Let's go. Nag-enjoy ako. So good. are finally done. We got here ng past 9, halos 10 na. We're heading home ng, what, 3? Ayun. So, siguro, I'll tell you more about it, about what Rapha Health Institute is about. They also have YouTube of their own para mas meron ding clarifications about what they do. So, yun. Hi. So, tapos na kami sa Rapha Institute. Ano lang siya, more of, pulas na ako, girl. Sorry. More of parang preventive treatment, mga ganun. Kasi nga, di ba, parang nung past few months na na-confine. For preventive measures, we're going for, parang detox. Parang ganun yung niya. Parang ganun yung effect niya. Parang magdi-detox ka lang. Ayan. Ayun siya. And we will go through that for the next 10 weeks. And 10 more after that. So, ibang procedure naman yun. Right now, we are headed back to Paseo. Ang hirap i-admit na addict sa Paseo. Hindi, kasi nga lagi kami nagmamadali papunta doon. Even now, actually, hindi rin sobrang dami ng time namin. So, lagi namin sinisingit lang sa mga errands namin. So, yun, we're going back. And again, we will try our luck na maghanap ng footwear. Hopefully, we'll find footwear na. Hi, so we are here again sa Paseo.
Pila pa rin.
Oh my! So, dito na naman kami, but this time around, we really aim to go to Adidas kasi last time we were here, grabe yung pila, as in parang paikot na halos ng store. So, this time around, may pila, but it's not as long as it was last time we were here. So, let's do this. Hi, we are home. Di na ako napag-vlog and everything because it's a failed attempt. Na naman, di pa rin siya nakabili ng footwear niya, unfortunately. So, let's see next week. Babalik naman kami sa Greenbelt. Baka doon na lang kami bumili ng footwear niya. Yun. So, ako, hindi na rin ako nag-attempt bumili. Sinabi ko na nabili for the past days. So, yun lang. Failed attempt lang. Tapos, Rapha,